Hello everyone, welcome back to my shop. Check out this beautiful stick of yellow heart that I just picked up. Looks like it cost me $23 for this stick, board foot. Beautiful. There's two different kinds of heartwood that comes to my material supplier. One is yellow heart. The other is purple heart. This is my favorite exotic wood right here. I just love this color. But I also love yellow heart. Want to see it change colors as we lacquer it? Let's do it. Turns to a deeper color yellow. I love it. Yellow heart.